CA Foundation Accounting 2 Days Revision Strategy. From 22nd July 7 am till your accounts exam, you have 53 hours excluding 2 hours for traveling to the center on the exam day. Out of this, you will sleep for 12 hours in 2 nights, leaving 6.5 hours for other activities. You must study for at least 34.5 hours. On 22nd July, wake up at 7 am and get ready and have breakfast till 8 am. From 8 am to 12 pm, revise company accounts from short notes and some marked questions. From 12 pm to 1 pm, cover average due date and account current from short notes and some important marked questions. From 1 pm to 2 pm, have lunch and take some rest. From 2 pm to 5 pm, revise bill of exchange and promissory notes, sale of goods on approval or return basis, and consignment from short notes, and go through some marked important questions. From 5 pm to 5:30 pm, eat something and take a small walk. From 5:30 pm to 8:30 pm, cover bank reconciliation statement, inventories, and depreciation quickly, and do practice of some important marked questions. From 8:30 pm to 9 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9 pm to 11 pm, revise all the concepts of cash book and subsidiary books from short notes, and do practice of some questions in writing. From 11 pm to 12 am, cover the theoretical and practical concepts of journal entries, ledgers, and trial balance from short notes and a few questions. From 12 am to 6 am, sleep well. On 23rd July, wake up at 6 am and revise the financial statements of NPOs from short notes, and do some marked important questions in writing till 9 am. At 9 am, get ready and have breakfast. From 9:30 am to 11:30 am, revise final accounts of non-manufacturing and manufacturing entities from short notes, and do some practical problems as marked by you. From 11:30 am to 1 pm, finish the rectification of errors from short notes and some marked questions. From 1 pm to 2 pm, have lunch and take some rest. From 2 pm to 5:30 pm, cover introduction to partnership accounts, treatment of goodwill in partnership accounts, and admission of a new partner from short notes and a few marked questions. From 5:30 pm to 6 pm, eat something and take a small walk. From 6 pm to 8:30 pm, revise retirement of a partner and death of a partner quickly, and do some questions. From 8:30 pm to 9 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9 pm to 11 pm, cover theoretical framework and all important theory of other chapters too from short notes. From 11 pm to 1 am, quickly go through the latest MTP and RTP. From 1 am to 7 am, sleep well. On 24th July, wake up at 7 am and get ready and have breakfast till 8 am. From 8 am to 12 pm, revise all the theoretical and practical concepts quickly from short notes. Dreams don't work unless you do. All the best. Watch 1.5 days revision strategy for CA Foundation Paper 2 Business Laws and Business Correspondence and Reporting on 24th July 2021.